Hello and welcome to the channel. This video is focusing on every quick shot at every distance for the DJI Neo 2. Battery life is quite short on this small drone, so it's great if you can capture every shot that you want to in the limited time that you've got available. That's what this video is all about. If you do like it, please do like, please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out so much. Okay, let's start with selfie shots. There are a range of different options. I'm using full. You can also choose low angle and full, high angle and close up, medium, high angle and wide, and also wide. And there are 3 different shots with this option. It'd be really great if you're on holiday somewhere and just wanted to capture yourself in a point of interest. And these are what the shots look like. So next is DRONIE, and this is the 2 meter option. This is DRONIE at 4 meters. DRONIE at 6 meters. This is DRONIE at 10 meters. As you can see, this is a much wider shot. And finally, this is DRONIE at 20 meters. Moving on next, this is HELIX, and this is the HELIX at 4 meters. And this is the HELIX at 6 meters. I have to say, the HELIX is probably one of my favourite quick shots that's available on the DJI Neo 2. This is the HELIX now at 10 meters. And finally, the HELIX at 20 meters. I think this is probably one of my favourite quick shots of the whole series that you'll see on this video. Moving on next to circle mode, this is circle at 2 meters. And this is circle at 4 meters. Moving on next to circle at 10 meters. As you can see, you really do need to be in some open space for this circle at 10 meters. And then finally, circle at 20 meters. I think it's a great effect with the ground moving really quickly as the drone circles around you. Moving on next to dolly zoom. This is the medium option. And this is full. Finally, wide. I think this is the most effective option. Moving on next to rocket. This is 4 meters. And this is rocket at 6 meters. This is rocket at 10 meters. Really starting to get some distance away now. And finally, this is rocket at 20 meters. So a new option on the Neo 2 is Master Shots. It provides a range of different quick shots in one blast. This, first of all, is the 10 meter option. This is a downward rocket rotating. Reverse DRONIE at 10 meters. And this is new to the Neo 2, this swooping down shot in Master Shots. So exactly the same sequence of shots, but this time at 20 meters. This establishing shot. Again, the downward rocket. The reverse DRONIE, this time up to 20 meters. And the swooping down shot. Again, I think this is really effective at 20 meters. Next is spotlights, and the manual placement. This time I'm using the hand gestures to get the drone into the right position. It stays in place and the camera rotates and follows wherever you go. the last sequence of shots is boomerang. This is boomerang at 4 meters. This is boomerang at 6 meters. And in boomerang mode, I think it's more effective the further the distance is. So this time boomerang at 10 meters, and I think you get a real sense of what boomerang mode can achieve. And the last shot of all is boomerang mode at 20 meters. I really like this mode, I think it's so effective. So there you go, that's every quick shot at every distance for the DJI Neo 2. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do like, please do subscribe. It really does help me out so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.